Hello everyone. We have Dr. Arpana with us. She is a veterinary doctor at Petville and she treats birds and other exotic pets also. So if you have an exotic animal or bird at your place, Dr. Arpana will be the best person to visit at Petville. So Dr. Arpana, we wanted to know what are the basic things as pet parents or the bird owners they should know about birds and ambience in general.
Birds are very conscious. They get stressed very easily. A very small thing can make them stressed, like a very louder noise, very louder people via home, dogs, cats, the other animals at home, a sun. Now sunlight is there, so a lot of sunlight also is going out. So it's like we have to keep them away from whatever stressing kids are there. So you don't have to keep the birds on balcony. The other birds can bully them, like crows, like cats. They can also come and bully them. That also is about to. So basically, you have to keep your birds stress-free. Yes, stress-free and exactly home. In front of the fans or lights, you have to keep the lights and fans completely closed when it's an night time. You have to close the cage also.
But during summers, how
a fan is okay sometimes. But in case of night time, you should have to keep the lights completely off or else they will not sleep. The entire room should be dark.
pitch down?
Pitch dark. Or else you have to keep some cotton cloth or something under the cage.
Okay.
Next thing, water should be available every time and you have to clean the water containers and the food containers 4 to 5 times in.
Whoa.
Because they get soiled very easily.
Right.
The same cage will be used for their habitat also. So it will be like the fecal sample, it can get mixed with the water and they can drink that water and get ill.
Right.
You have to observe some signs of the bird like head down. Head down, they keep flicking their wings. So the plucking of hair by their bone is not good. No, that is also
the time the customer should bring their pet
and that is majorly called as plumage. So basically, you have to observe these signs. When they are heading down and they are showing that harmless. So you have to bring
that is a clear indication when the head is down.
Yes.
It means the bird is not feeling well, and that is the time you have to rush to it.
Yes. The second thing, diarrhea. Third thing, they won't vomit that much, but sometimes they regurgitate.
How would you differentiate between a normal poop and diarrhea? I think they are always having diarrhea.
No, their normal poop is like a little bit of semi-solid consistency. But in case of watery consistency, whatever the paper you are inside the cage, it will be solved very early. In case of food, you can get n number of options. Basically, you can get watermelon nowadays. Now you can get this summer. You can give little bit of cold water. That will also to let them out. You can give sprouts to them. You can give apples, bananas. You can give any number of foods to them. You can give sprouts, which is completely sprout, not the onion. Okay. The next thing you can give grains.
Right.
Yeah, and then ready-made food is also available.
Okay, so do they have also got vaccines scheduled the way we have for dogs and that?
They have deworming, but that too as per the condition. Not it is like a schedule which we use in cats and dogs.
Right.
So their dewormings are as per the condition. If they require it, then only do it.
Yeah. So anything else, doctor, during summers, do you think we should do some extra care like providing them ice water?
Yes, ice cold water. You can use AC, you can use coolers, but you don't have to open the gates.
Because that can
sometimes yes, they can go inside, their hairs can get burned, their hairs can get chopped off. That one case I've seen that the hair of their the feather rather that got chopped in the fat. So you have to just take it.
Thank you so much, everyone, for watching, and thank you, Dr. Arpana, for such a wonderful information on birds. See you guys.
Bye.